Hey guys, it's playtime. Today we have eggs and toy surprise. Let's start with a huge egg of Disney princess. We have lots of lemon head. We have keychain. This can also be used as your backpack clip. And stickers. Cinderella, Ariel, Rapunzel, and the three of them. Then we have this very pretty Sophia the First carry case. Ta-da! We got 3 surprise eggs, 2 mystery eggs, and 1 Sophia the First. We have the tiara shaped hard candies, stickers, let's see what we have in here. We got Mater. Lightning McQueen. Next, let's open this Cinderella tin box. Let's find out what's inside. Inside we have Minecraft minifigure and My Little Pony vinyl figure. Let's open this My Little Pony vinyl figure mystery minis. We have Big Macintosh. This is my second Big Macintosh. Here's my other Big Macintosh. Last one, we have surprises inside this Hello Kitty Easter bucket. Let's cut this out first. We have stickers. Hello Kitty cupcake. Hard candies. It's yummy. Next, we have Guido from the Cars. We have Olaf mini Funko figure. So cute. Everybody loves Olaf. We have another My Little Pony figurines. Heart shape. Oh, so pretty. We got Rarity. Wow. I love this blind bag. There you go. Next, Hello Kitty. We have Hello Kitty blind bag, trading card, fun pack. We got the trading cards. This is cute, look. And this one is the cutest. Then we have this Hello Kitty checklist booklet. Oh, how cute is this? Wow! We have Hello Kitty translucent figure in red. Wow! So cute! Disney Pixar mushrooms. We have Woody. Oh, squishy. Look at that, so nice. Look at his hat. Good stretch too. Whoop. Woohoo! Last one we have a little pony blind bag. We have Cloud Chaser. It's adorable. Cloud Chaser likes to fly in and out of the clouds. There he is. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.